Right, we're live. How we doing? How you doing? Friday's here. Friday's here. I'm actually glad to see the back of this week, I think, after the week I've had. News, there's nothing for us to worry about now, really. Got consumer sentiment, actually, in 40 minutes, but should be right, should be right. We had PCE earlier, which come in slightly higher than expected. At 0.4%, expected was 0.3%. But I'm glad that's out of the way and done with. Right. Thoughts on the day? I'm thinking it's going to be long, I think, today. First target being the higher day. And we could potentially look for more maybe, but yeah, we'll see. Let's get the poll sorted out though, so you can tell me what you're thinking for the session. We'll get in a trade on the community tab. Community account. 30 mins. We had a loss yesterday, didn't we, I think? On the community account. Right, let me know what you want to do on the community account, and we'll get into it. So Han, how you doing, mate? Good to see you. Polar came man, running around today, but just saying, yo, nice to see you, mate. Good to see you. Enjoy running around. Short day is it today? And I feel I've been arranged to go to the shop later. I can't remember what for now. Storage boxes, I think. That'd be fun. What a Friday night is for me these days. So yes, I'm hopefully gonna not have a too long of a stream today, because she wants picking up from work, and then we're planning on going to the shop straight from work, and she finishes at 3. So hopefully just over an hour today, not too long. Yeah, and the rest. Good luck, mate. Cheers, K-Man. Cheers, enjoy your day, mate. Right, I had a win on the challenge account this morning. What am I up? $640 up on that, which is nice. Still in drawdown. I've been sort of fucking around with what I'm doing on there and not really doing anything certain at the minute. So yeah, I need to figure it out and actually start taking action on it, because otherwise I'm just paying for a fucking account for no reason at the minute. My week has been terrible. My month has been terrible. Almost $2,000 down this month overall for accounts. And yeah, 1,100 down this week. So a win today would be fucking lovely, but Friday's my worst day, so I don't hold out hope. I'm going to be taking it very easy today. I'm not going to be rushing in. I'm going to play it very safe. It's got to be beyond perfect for me to take it today. Because yeah, I can't afford to have another loss. Oh. Right. Just want to quickly have a look at my dashboard. You should see how many days I've got of 200 plus. I think it's around 19, I think. Yes, 19. I don't want to look at the fucking graph. Oh god, it's depressing. Let's bring over the graph so you can see it. How fucking shit is that, eh? Yeah, had a really good end of year, and then literally since December, been going fucking sideways. Actually, looks very much like the Nasdaq since December, doesn't it? December we went sideways for ages, and then we've had a dump. It's ironic. Yeah, the idea of taking a large payout and just YOLOing the accounts is creeping up on me a little bit. But the only thing is, I can only take out 50% at the minute, which is a bit annoying. I have to get over 30, I think, to take out 100%, don't I? I was thinking, should I just close the accounts, take a nice big payout, and have a little breather and figure out what I'm doing strategy wise, and then yeah, come back on a new challenge. Do you know what I mean? But don't know. Something to mull over. Yeah, until I've got them 30 days, I can't do fuck all anymore. I can take half out, but what would half be? What, 900 each account? Still be a nice little payout. And yeah, that would leave me with 800 drawdown. So I could, yeah, take 50% out. A nice little payout, and then play it really safe. Maybe go down to, like, I don't know, $50 risk or something. I don't know, something to think about, Right, how is this poll doing then? What are we thinking? 67% long, that was my thoughts as well. Which is good. Right, we've got 2 minutes and I'll close the poll out, and then I'll get into a trade on the community account. Yeah, you know the rules by now. Would be market ordering in 1 micro contract, no take profit, no stop loss. And we'll leave it 30 minutes and close it. I discovered a new thing yesterday. There's such things as cameos. It's never something I've heard of before. You can basically pay a bit of money to a celebrity or someone to basically do like a short little video for you. And I've paid 40 quid to get Jay from the In-Betweeners to congratulate my wife on the pregnancy. So I'm waiting for that to come through, but I'm fucking buzzing. That'll be class. So you should congratulate her and rip into her a little bit about giving birth and stuff like that, and yeah, it should be funny. But I thought, that's not too bad, is it? 40 quid to have Jay from the In-Betweeners congratulate your wife. Some of them on there are like fucking insane. Like people charging like $1,000 for a little 30-second video, but yeah, James Butley does it for 40 quid. The bread afternoon, mate. Good to see you. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. I only did it yesterday, I think, so I think it takes a few days to come through. I mean, if you haven't watched In-Betweeners, you won't get it, but yeah, it should be class. Oh shit, I need to close this poll out. Right, we're going long. Right, micro, market order, 1 contract, buy. Right, we're in. Everything's right in it. 1 micro, practice account. Nice. Get a big win today, close it. That was strong. That would be nice, wouldn't it? That would be nice. I mean, even if I had a big win, I'd be looking at a break-even week at the best situation, but yeah, I'll take that any day. But yeah, good luck today, everyone. Market's open. Take it easy. Capital preservation Friday. Yeah, play it safe. Play it safe. Alright, we're open. So yes, my thoughts are we're going along. Could potentially come down to this sort of level again. Then yeah, I'd expect us to then push up from there. Could potentially sweep like a day, to be honest, first. London had a decent session, didn't it? 140 points, I think. 160 points. Which is, yeah, nice. Yeah, I caught a nice little short in, I believe, from here, I think. Little 2-1 on the challenge account. Shorts for me to 19,600, okay. Yeah, to be fair, I have got a short target down here. The 600's are way down, isn't it? Which is just a level of liquidity from a while ago. Yeah, just this level here. It was actually a target from yesterday, so that was just a potential thought in my mind. What's at 600 then? Okay, so you're thinking down here, mate, are you? Let's drag this out. Keep an eye on it, because definitely a potential if we're going that way. Bit of a way off, but you never know. Yeah, equal lows, previous week's low. I don't want to go all the way, but that's my thoughts yet. I mean, it's not that much of a target, is it? So what are we talking points? From here, 260 points. Yeah, it's definitely possible, mate. Definitely possible. We had a 460 point move. Wednesday, was it? When we come down to that gap from the opening week gap. Or that is low day taken. Yeah, this is sort of area of interest I had marked out from this morning. I did want to trade off this, but I was actually out at this time, and then by the time I come back, it was around up here, so I missed it. But so yes, we could potentially come down and tap this again because we didn't quite get there on the 9 o'clock candle. Or we could blast through this. But I'm thinking that we might just retest it and then push up. That's what my thoughts are. I'm not confident enough to enter a long position on the challenge account on it, but that's my thoughts anyway. Got that 5-minute close within the range, which is a good sign. Drawdown's not too bad on the community account just yet. Oh, there's fucking large sell orders coming then. Yeah, shopping for storage containers in a bit. It'll be fun. I think for the Christmas decorations that we've got like a shed out the front. Like a little cupboard. It's more of a cupboard than a shed. So yeah, we're going to get some storage containers and take stuff from the cupboard in the house and put it out there. Free up some space in here a little bit. As there'll be a third addition to the family soon. Need more fucking space. So far looking like a good buy down here, wouldn't it? Pushing up. Right, I think we're in the green now, aren't we? Yes, well, break even. I'll just send another poll off. I want to let me know how your P&L has been looking this week. Obviously, we know mine is fucking very red. But to sort of see how other people have performed this week. I feel like it's been a bit of a difficult week, at least for my strategy. You from the UK, mate? Yes, mate, I am, yeah. Oh, we're looking quite strong. If we yeah, get above VWAP and start pushing up from there, I think this confirm the long bias. Must make greens from Holland. Ah, nice one, man. Been to Holland a few times. Well, Amsterdam. Never ventured away from Amsterdam. I think I've been about 4 times, I think, now. Yeah, nice country. I enjoy Holland, it's nice. Right, we're just teetering around VWAP. Come for the weed, I just like the city overall. Mainly the weed, mate, to be honest. That's what I come for, but I enjoyed the city. I was young. It's not, I don't smoke it anymore. I used to smoke it a lot when I was younger. Yeah, no, that's why we always went. Yeah, we always had such a nice time. It's the sort of place where every time we went, we discovered something new. There's always something new going on that we hadn't sort of seen before. Same, bro. Yeah, it's not. I can't really function on it very well, so I don't do it anymore. But I made someone in Amsterdam very happy. One year we went, left buddy 2 grams of fucking green on a bench once, and come back 15 minutes later and it was gone. My fault. I was obviously very baked at the time. We did the little pedalos on the canals while we were there. It's fucking the most stressful thing I've ever done. But it was me and my wife and her auntie and her boyfriend. So it's obviously the two boys are up the front fucking pedaling. I mean, I don't know about anyone else, but when I'm high, the worst thing I can be doing is exercise. My mouth is dry as fuck. I felt sick because I'm prone to whitey. And, you know, fucking pedaling like mad, and then we're going down this narrow as fuck canal, and there's a boat trying to come past us, and we're having to like grip onto the wall while this tour boat with about 30 odd people on it just looking at us as we're like squeezing past. Can't wait to get off and have a fucking drink. Yeah, the girls always, oh yeah, it's so fun, we should do it again, we should do it again. But no, I'm not doing it again. Unless you want to pedal, I'm not doing it again. Panic attacks when it just kicks in, especially in a busy city, yeah. And I'm like a very anxious person anyway, like I've written crowds and busy places. And yeah, it wasn't a bit of me, that 30, 40 odd people looking at us as they're on their lovely little canal cruise, and we're probably, well, we were wrecked out of our nut and look a bit skanky, gripping onto this canal wall. Leo, how you doing, mate? Good to see you. Also tried space cakes, always went bad on that stuff. No, I've always wanted to eat it, but I never eaten it in any format. I never smoked it. I've always wanted to. But yeah, just never bothered. Nature, yo, how you doing, mate? Bit of a choppy open, no clear direction just yet. Very boring day, waited all day for this chop. Yeah, it's not worth the wait at the minute, is it? London session was good though. 160 point move, wasn't it? Clay, how you doing, mate? Good to see you. I was saying at the start of the stream, I'll say it again because there weren't many here. I've discovered a new thing this week called cameos. It's never something I'd heard of before, but it's where you can basically pay a celebrity of some sort to make a short little video for you. And I've managed to pay Jay from the In-Betweeners like 40 quid or something like that to do a video congratulating my wife on the pregnancy and to rip into her a little bit about it. So hopefully that should be sent over in a few days, and that'll be hopefully class. It should be good. Any In-Betweeners fans in here, you'll appreciate that. But I didn't even know it was a thing. I saw a video of him on like a podcast talking about it, and I think he reckons he's a millionaire from doing them because he charges about 40 quid, and he's like the most requested person on this website, and he reckons he's done about 40,000 little videos for people, which puts him at like 1.4 million in profit, I think, or something like that, which is mad. Probably earned far more off that than he did the series, at least. I don't know about the films, but that's cool, man. Yeah, it should be good. I'm looking forward to it. I'll once I've shown it to the wife, I'll post it in Discord maybe. Yeah, so I'm hoping it should sort of be sent over by the sort of weekend, I would have thought, but yeah, it should be good. I've asked him to rip into her a little bit about the labour and stuff. Because it's essentially the ones that he does, he essentially just abuses people on their birthday and stuff like that. But there's loads of people that you can do it with. Let me get the website up. So there's a website called Cameo. And yeah, you can do footballers if you want to do football. You go pay John Terry 175 quid to make you a video. Just absolutely mad. Obviously, it'd only be good if it's someone would appreciate it. Breaking Bad. I think I saw Hank. Yeah, Hank to do you yeah, James Butley, he's got 11,000 reviews. There's some from The Office. Where's The Office? You can get off, I forgot what his name is in The Office. Yeah, class, but some of them are quite expensive. But yeah, Jay from the In-Between is 40 quid. I thought that's worth it, innit? Yeah, some of them are like a grand. Oh, they've got Jay's dad. That is Jay's dad, isn't it, I think? Whoa. How's it going? Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, some people charge like a grand for it, which is insane, but you're paying like 40 quid, I think that's worth it. Do a combine because I didn't want to pay monthly subscription and fresh account and mine set next week. Oh, Clay, unlucky, mate. You just sort of YOLO'd it because it was rebidden, was that right? Yeah, come back fresh next week, mate. Have a nice little reset over the weekend and you should be fine. Been tough. Oh, let's look at this poll. I forgot about it. Yeah, majority are red this week. I feel your pain, boys and girls. I feel your pain. It's been hard. Well done to the 35% green though, and well done to the 21% break even as well. Fair play. Quarter 2 next week. Oh, it is, isn't it? Yes. Yes, fingers crossed. Quarter 2 brings a bit more stability to the markets. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. But I think seasonally it's quarter 1's normally red anyway, isn't it? Normally a pullback in quarter 1, I think. I don't tend to pay too much attention to it, but yeah. I'm pretty sure seasonally quarter 1's normally a down kind of quarter. Trash opening, yeah, it's been a bit poor, isn't it? Been a bit of a poor week. Is it a bit of a doji candle week, is it? Yeah, potentially could be a bit of a doji if we push back up into this weekly candle. I mean, if we could actually have a bit of a dump from here, I suppose, couldn't we? Weekly candle's looking a bit bearish at the minute. Yes. Yeah, at least your first day back was yesterday. Yesterday was a bit better, wasn't it? Well, I've got to remember to close this out in a few minutes. 5 minutes. don't know why these markers are ass. Yes. I don't know, man. I don't have the answers either. But this is, but I mean, feels untradeable, doesn't it? There'll be some people that'll be able to do it. I think if we break below this level that I've got marked out on my trading view chart, we could be looking at dumping, but at the minute we're just bouncing between in this range, aren't we? Rather watch paint dry. Yeah, it'd be more fun, wouldn't it? More going on. You might see a fly get stuck to it. And shorts it's 9:15. Oh, nice little entry that, mate. Nice entry. Yeah, I was just looking at the 5-minute chart, and we're I would say that looks reasonably bearish done at the minute. Respect to the EMA, pretty much. Respect to VWAP. Yeah, you might have got the decent entry there, mate. Barcode City. Oh, I finally gave my beard a trim and my tash. Needed doing about 6 weeks ago. Nah, not quite 6 weeks, but my tash just gets so long it ends up going into my mouth every time I take a bite of something. It's right irritating. We should never be asked to do it. I need to book in a haircut next week as well. I think that's getting too long. Bit of maintenance, personal maintenance. Yeah, I'm the sort of person that hates any kind of maintenance. I'll get my haircut as little as I can. And same with my beard and stuff. I'll trim that as little as I can. Bit of a skank really, but can't be asked for it. Don't care enough. This can't be asked, yeah, 100%, mate. 100%. So the news is, oh yes, we do have news, don't we? Right, let's quickly close this community trade out. So we are 100 down. $100 loss. I think it was $100 loss yesterday as well. We're still in the green just about, but what's your EMA set to, Sam? 21, mate. 21. The white line is VWAP and yeah, blue line is 21 EMA. Yes, that's into a 4-hour fair value gap, and we have an SMT with, now it's hard to say whether it's it low or not currently. I haven't been looking at ES. Oh, we have taken that low, haven't we, on ES? Whoa, there we go, push down. Yeah, hopefully this does something. I really forgot about it, to be honest. A huge candle up or down. Yeah, it's probably going to go either way, isn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will go up or down at some point. Probably sideways, yeah. Now I've said that at least. No, I can see he's having a little bit of a move today. But then I suppose London had a decent-ish session, didn't they? So, but... Yeah, we have actually got a bit of a gap from yesterday's close, so there's a good chance it's going to want to come back up and fill that. I've been trying to look at the regular trade hours more, because we quite often come back to fill the gap, don't we? And we have it up here. And this one we filled yesterday, didn't we? Be gone if we get data high swept offshore home. Where in the UK you live right now? I used to live in Surrey. In Hampshire, mate. South coast. So yeah, not far from Surrey. How's it there? It's alright. Busy, lots of people. Overcrowded, I think, personally, and everywhere's expensive. Rent's expensive, house prices are expensive. It's not worth the money that you're paying these days, I don't think. Lovely weather. Yeah. It never snows, so hardly ever get any snow, which I think is a bit shit. But then I'm right on the coast, so but yeah, it's too busy for me. I'd rather be somewhere else. I'd rather be further up north, where there's a bit more country and house prices are cheaper and stuff like that. Rather than paying like 300-400 grand for a terraced house when you sat on top of people. And if you leave your drive down the main road at the wrong time, you're stuck in traffic for an hour. Fucking shit. Woman that I work with was talking about the rent prices this morning. But obviously it's so expensive because she's talking about her daughter moving out. And I sort of realised that in the last 7 years, rent prices have doubled in this area. From when me and the missus first moved out, we were paying, I think $575 a month for like a 2-bed flat. And now 2-bed flats are $1,100 a month. Easily, it's fucking terrible. Yeah, really snow, that's true, but UK now pretty full on that, yeah. Yeah, it'd be nice to get some snow though, wouldn't it? He's probably so cute. What the fuck happened? Insanity, yeah. It is mad. And we're in a 2-bed house now, but it's a very small house. And yeah, we paid $1,100 for this. And this is like cheap for a house. decent sized garden. We were very lucky to get this, to be honest. But yeah, that's just the area. But yeah, I'd much rather be up north because you can still sort of get houses for sort of £600-700 a month, can't you? Rent. If your trading will pop off, then you can live wherever, bro. Yeah, hopefully, mate. That's the plan. That's the plan. I'll get there at some point. Bro, if we start to well, continue to look heavy, we can possibly take a short. Yeah, I think I'd quite like to be able to like live around the world, sort of, for a bit. Like, my mum lives in Fuerteventura, Canary Islands. So it'd be nice to go and like just live in the Canary Islands for like 2-3 months, and then maybe go and spend 6 months in Canada or something like that and live there, because I think you can do 6 months there, like sort of visa free. So yeah, it'd be nice to be able to work from the computer and yeah, just go wherever, whenever I want. Because I don't really want to be in the UK, to be honest. I wouldn't mind spending some of the year here, but I'd quite like to be able to spend a lot of the year elsewhere. It'd be nice. 2.4k day, nice bread, man. 6k for the week. That's me done. Happy days, man. Everyone can calm down now, I'm here. Fair play, bread, mate. Nice one. Right, we're looking heavy. Yeah, I think we've officially broken this area, haven't we? This level. Southeast Asia, yeah, that would be nice. Wouldn't mind going there at some point. Let's see if we get the 600s now. Yeah, we could potentially, but we're not far off. 140 points. So we've got to check the Discord for my trades. Literally misses my stop loss by a tick and then fully reverse to my take profit. Oh, mate, let's have a look. Oh, nice one, man. Is that doing the EMA cross with the VWAP? I was looking at that earlier. Yeah, you've been entering sort of 9:31-ish. But you haven't got the times on there. 8:70. Yeah, it's around this area, isn't it? No, I just shot the open hole. I thought there was some meaning behind it. Nice one though, mate. Nice one. Nothing better than that. Wow. I suppose it would have been nicer if it had just gone straight to take profit, because it would have been less stressful, but... Well, if a short soon, retrace the fair value gap, patience. Yes, got to be patient, mate. Gotta wait for the setup. Does anyone want to join Discord? We have 99 members and I'd love it to be 100. Let me show the link. I'm sure we've come close a few times, but I've had to kick a couple of sort of scammy link people. So every time we get close to 100, I have to kick a few people, then we haven't quite got there yet. We're joining Discord. Nice one, Nature. Nice. Might leave as soon as we hit 100. Fuck you, Lewis. Someone's not a trade for you at 10 AM. Yes, but it was a news candle, wasn't it? It's not one that I want to enter off of. News candle, and I believe it was... I had this level marked out from earlier. And we sort of still hadn't got below that comfortably, do you know what I mean? So I wouldn't have been comfortable shorting there anyway. But now we've sort of moved down a nice little bit. I'm happy to short. I tend to try and avoid news candles. So that was a 63-point candle anyway. Just got a friend invite on Discord from your impersonator. What? Who's this impersonator? Post a screenshot of it in Discord. I want to see this mush. Oh, you have. Hey. I was gonna say that might be me. But I've joined in Feb, I think. Report it if you can. My man is okay, man. That's them 2 hours in trader. What knobhead is doing that, man? Alright, everyone do a community effort and go and report them. Can you report people? Can you even search for people? I don't have a fucking clue how Discord works, to be honest. Just ban them. Are they part of the fucking server? Right, give me a second, give me a second. Server settings, members. What fucking lunatic is this? I bet it is K-Man. Right. Report user profile. To be fair, I don't know if he's really done anything wrong, so... Yeah. Next. I don't know if I should say I'm reporting him because of this photo, because it's the same as mine. They might then ban me. I'll block him. Block. I want to kick him first. Ban. Suspicious ban account. Right, I banned them. Good. I assume their plan probably was to come in the server, chat, and try and scam people. People thinking it's me. Somebody's on K, man. Not casual us out. There's a scam trying to ask money, probably, yeah, probably. Happens in every server. So he's playing COD, I call my layout loadout. Oh, that says a lot, Lewis. You start getting impersonated, it means you're gaining popularity, so congrats. Yeah, cheers, mate. It's my my first impersonator. I don't know if I should feel proud or not, but... Right, we are dumping. If you have someone doing it, that's a good thing, I reckon. Yeah, I must be doing something right somewhere. You know why, boys? It's because we've got 100 members now. But I just had to ban him, so I bet we haven't. Let's have a look. 100 members, yes. Well done. I screenshot it. I'll post it in Discord later. I'll do it now, quick. I'd reply asking if he had Twitter. If he says yes, it's a scam. He says yes, but I fucking hate it, then it's legit. Yeah, pretty much, mate. I don't think I've been on there since the day I created my profile. But it's not going to be a setup today. It's going to be one of them days. There we go. I'm just posting the achievement in Discord. Buzz him, buzz him. Right, come on. Let's get a pullback. Let's get a pullback. Let's get a winning trade. Now, I can make my week. 100 members on Discord. To be fair, 2 of them I think are bots, but we won't talk about that. One of them is me. We won't talk about that. But a nice winning trade. Finish the week off. Lewis, I just noticed the stochastics are all at the bottom, aren't they? Just about. Could be reversal time. Come off. Best of luck rest of the day. See you again Monday. Yes, Bread. Back to normal time on Monday. If you're US based, doesn't make a difference. But yeah, if you're UK based or anything, then I'll be back to 20 past 2 instead of 20 past 1 from Monday. Mind your dog, the other one is your cat. Yeah, maybe I should set them up in profile. It's all about numbers, isn't it? I know you don't like to stay on that late, but there are decent amount of setups like 3 to 4 hours after the open. Yeah, I have been noticing that there's been sort of setups after 11, and I am gonna start trying to push it a little bit. Now we're going back to normal open times. It's even later in it for me. I can't do late today because I've got to go and pick the missus up from work, which is in 40 minutes. So yeah, I'll probably only be on another sort of 20-25 minutes. Yeah, close to possible entry. Anyone got advice on how to not counter trade your own bias? No, mate. Stick with your bias. Maybe change your bias. I don't know. I try and let the charts tell me the bias rather than my own mind. Oh, I was enjoying the 1:30 start. Yeah, I was as well. But yeah, the clocks change in the UK Sunday evening, so yeah, back to normal time, mate, unfortunately. I'm preferring it as well. I'm sort of more happy to stay on a bit later if I'm trading at 1:30. Sam's household is 9% of the Discord. It's 2:30 again, yes. Yeah, New York Open will be 2:30 again from Monday. If you're in the UK. Obviously, if you're not in the UK, then it's obviously different. I said, yeah, don't do it. You do on cryptocurrencies? I don't trade it, but I'm a long-term investor of crypto. Yeah, that's how I got into trading. It wasn't going very well, so I sort of stopped and decided that I'm better off just long-term holding. And then I moved over to futures instead. Mark ain't filling these fair value gaps today equals no cream pie. Yeah, it's one of them days, isn't it? There's a Topstep trader who's made 500k a month just trading time and sales. What? No fucking way. Surely not. How can anyone fucking read time and sales? Beyond me. Just a load of fucking red and green lines. Sometimes you get a load of red, sometimes you get a load of green, but they pretty much even out as far as I can see. You see the odd big order here and there, but it doesn't have that much of an impact. $130 has really hurt my trading performance. Oh no, buckled wheel. I suppose it changes your routine, doesn't it, I suppose, which I get. I've been saying that I've had fucking horrendous months, so maybe I'll blame it on that as well. What are you bullish on for spot? Bitcoin, mate. I ain't gonna put a name on anything else at the minute. Altcoins are fucking bleeding, aren't they? I like Solana. I like Radium, obviously part of Solana. But other than that, I'm not too keen on much, to be honest. I've got a few more in my bag, but I'm down fucking over 50% on most of my altcoins. If there's ever too dare I get it, that's how I trade small caps. Yeah, obviously if it's I mean, what more do you get on level 2 from time and sales? Do you get a bit more information? Obviously I can understand the DOM, Obviously you can see a lot more, can't you, on the DOM with level 2, but can you see much more on time and sales with level 2? It's a genuine question. I don't know. I've never had level 2, so. In Brazil we have open book, so you can see in the time and sales which institutions are making the orders and the amount they are positioning on the day, which direction. So there's a lot of edge. Okay. Then the US it's black book, so you can see who's making the moves. Impossible to make a trade, yeah, 100%. Well, that must be mad though in Brazil. This one like routine, I'm all out of sync. No, I get that, mate. I get that. Leo, does it make it... Is it actually an edge though, or because everyone else can see, it sort of eliminates the edge, do you know what I mean? I don't know if it would have that sort of effect. I mean, I suppose it wouldn't, because obviously if it's the institutions, that's the way the market's moving, because they're the ones moving, aren't they? So... Yeah, I just didn't know if the edge would be lost because everyone has now the edge, you know what I mean? So it no longer becomes an edge. Number 2 is ordering in versus out. Size ghost orders 2. You can see how many shares are offered at that price and both been asked. Okay. Everyone can see it, but everyone can make an edge of it. It's like the charts, yeah, I suppose, yeah. Small caps, I'd say 50% of top traders use it, but works both. Lots of dummy orders at large size to speed for markets too, yeah. Oh yeah, when I briefly had Bookmap for a month, I found it quite difficult to read because there's just constantly a load of limit orders, say, I don't know, 10, 20 points above price at all times. And so it's difficult to sort of work out which way it's put in the market because it's just constantly there, do you know what I mean? Okay, I've just noticed on time and sales. This is probably going to sound fucking very noobish. Oh, wrong way. Did a little upside down flip then. Yeah, time and sales, I just noticed you can change the size filter. I mean, I've always seen this as there, but I've never actually changed it. So I can actually, if you're looking at this, because I've always had it on 1, which is obviously just fucking mental all times. If you've got like maybe 2, maybe you can then filter out the larger orders. Maybe that's a bit more helpful, but then I suppose the only problem is though, a lot of the institutions place hundreds of 1 contract orders, don't they? So catch you next week. No trades for me. I'll see you later, nature, mate. Catch you next week. You take 1 minute breakout, Sam? No, I don't, mate. I don't. I don't. I was having 5+. Oh, okay. You have to filter the time and sales, otherwise it's crazy. That's probably why I haven't had much luck fucking looking at it. We should change your order tab to a micro NQ instead of NQ last, setting up for a disaster. Yeah, I did think that earlier. The only reason, I mean, I might be wrong about this, but I'm assuming micros would be different Do you know what I mean? And it's, for some reason, if I change it on time and sales, it changes it on order as well. So I'd rather be looking at the minis on time and sales, but have the order set up on micros. But I just feel like, I don't know. Click the blue circle near the name. Oh, okay. Nice one, man. Nice one. I mean, that's the second thing you showed me, Tapped. You're a very helpful person to having chat. I think it was you the other day that told me about the copy traded accounts, wasn't it? And then about changing it to the leader to the lowest one. Yeah. Appreciate that, mate. Cheers. Football institutions and above 2 to 3 lots depending on what you're trading. Yeah, let's go to 3. Big area of support coming up. Stochastics are lining up as well, Lewis. Yeah, I can see time and sales been a lot more helpful now, to be fair. Can you pull back from there so I can go short? Dip, we can reverse. Someone asked earlier if I had data on the news candle. I did see the comment, but I don't think I replied. No, I don't have data. No, I don't. Obviously, what puts me off is it's going to be a larger stop loss because of the news candle, isn't it? And I always find like the wick of a news candle can just be unreliable. I don't sort of put too much thought into it. It's just a big wick, innit? But obviously looking back, that would have been the trade to take now, but at the time it's not one that I was keen to take. I don't know if you want to do it or not, but the dude who's made 500k with time and sales uses one size filter. What, one contract? You have no fucking laugh. How can you make any sense of this? It just looks so 50-50 to me. But sometimes you do see a flurry of green orders coming in, but you instantly see a load of red orders afterwards, so no clue on how he does it. Oh, you're not very helpful then. I suppose he doesn't have a YouTube channel, does he? But it must be mad to be able to sit there and watch that. There's an image on Discord of our time of sales. Have a look. See the balance of which institutions are positioning long or short on the day and how about how much. That's fucking crazy, man. Yeah, that's mad, that is. Yeah, surely you could pretty much just copy their trades. Video the other day on why runners don't work long term. Okay, I could have told you that, mate. My data shows you that. Ask me for the video if you want. I mean, I'm probably not going to use it purely because I know I'm not smart enough to use it. But I mean, if you wanted to share it in the Discord, I mean, other people might appreciate it. I wouldn't mind watching it out of just curiosity, but I don't think it's something I'll be able to do, so I'm not that interested in it because I know I won't be able to do it. Yeah, I mean, if you're up for it, obviously if he wants to share it, then yeah, other people might find it interesting to see. Yeah, I don't think it's something I'd even want to attempt. I'm assuming if it's unlisted, he's not keen on loads of people seeing it there. That's the only thing. He obviously just wants to share it with certain people, I suppose. I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing it out of curiosity, but I know it's never saying I'm going to trade. I already missed my SMT sub this afternoon. Had to drop my mate to collect his car from the garage. Ah, mate, tell him he owes you a couple of grand for the missed trade. Gutted. Be careful not to fall for FOMO though, mate. Don't try and jump in because you missed something. Been there. Never ends well. We're going to pull back to the EMA, but I'm not wanting to take it. We've dumped loads already. The stochastics are looking oversold. Yeah, I feel like it's looking a bit reversey. Never understood how people trade just from the DOM 2. At least NQ seems to move like crazy, yeah. You would 100% need level 2 to fucking trade off of it. And even then, I wouldn't be able to do it, I don't think. But I've never had level 2 though, so... Other than when I briefly had Bookmap, I think it was on there, but... Pretty of a hammer on the 5 minute to not get swept. Yeah, didn't even notice that. Oh. Yeah, the only thing I'm up for trying again at some point is bookmap. Just because it's a bit more visual, do you know what I mean? But it would only be as an aid of a strategy rather than the strategy, do you know what I mean? Just be a bit more of a extra confluence sort of thing. Right, I think I'm going to call it there, boys and girls. I've got to go and pick the wife up in 18 minutes. Then I'm going storage box shopping. Thrilling Friday evening, eh? Then we are doing, I think, Mackie D's later, so not all bad, not all bad. Yeah, I feel like this is looking a bit reversey, but obviously play it as you will, but yeah, play it safe. So we're going to show 30 seconds after you leave. Yeah, I think it probably will, but it's one that I want to avoid, so I'm quite happy to leave, to be honest. I don't feel like it's going to be I feel like it's looking a bit reversey for me. Let's set up a little hypothetical, see if it plays out quickly, but oh, what's this level that we've just taken? Oh, just seen as well, we've just taken our short target. I hadn't even noticed that. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't be taking at them. Definitely not. Yes, this would be the setup anyway. Stop order, so at the breakout of this 1 minute candle. I don't know about the times and sales because you can't see who's active trading and by how much they are invested on the day. I don't know how a person can make sense of it. Yeah. Yeah, it must be a scalping sort of thing if you're actively trading off of it. And yeah, it can't be just active, like only trading off of it. But I mean, at the minute I can see it's quite large buy orders coming in. We've had 14 just down there, 16. Looking more green than red. But then on the one contracts, there could be fucking 2,000 more red sell orders than green ones, you know what I mean? So probably take this with a pinch of salt in it, but have a good weekend, guys. Yes, have a good weekend, Clay. Better luck next month, Sam. Yeah, fingers crossed, mate. Fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure, anyway. I haven't set it in stone, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be scaling down next month because the account balance is not looking fucking pretty. So yes, scaling down. On the one contract it's a high frequency traders that fills every gap at every microsecond. Yes, 100%. Full screen, time and sales and read like the Matrix. Yeah, literally no charts, time and sales only, then the order tab on the right. And just yeah, buy and sell off that. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Maybe I'll do that for a laugh one day. No charts, and yeah, see what the P&L is at the end of the day. Just keep hitting the reverse button. Right, I better go because I've got to go and pick her up. Enjoy your weekend, guys. No video for me tomorrow. Didn't record fuck all. Haven't really done anything other than back test. And I've only taken 2 trades. So yeah, no video tomorrow. Should be back to normal following week. Yeah, take it easy, and I'll see you Monday back to normal time at 2:20 as the clocks change on Sunday. And yes, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Hopefully everyone gets a nice fat takeaway of some description. Enjoy. See you later.